Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by prepping your Pixel 10 Pro, charge it to a healthy level and ensure you have network access. Insert the SIM or set up eSIM so mobile services work immediately and join a stable Wi-Fi network for faster downloads. Sign in with your Google account now to restore backups and sync contacts. This saves time later. Once done, accept necessary permissions and choose device protection, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, and make sure to enable Find My Device for security and easy recovery. You continue by restoring apps and settings from your Google backup so your home layout and accounts reappear. Next, customize the display. Set the adaptive refresh rate, toggle dark theme for battery savings, and adjust font size for readability. Configure privacy controls, review app permissions, refine location access to while using app, and restrict microphone or camera where unnecessary. Finally, set up Google Assistant and voice match so you can use hands-free commands. This improves convenience and accessibility. Finish by installing system updates and updating all apps from the Play Store to get security fixes and new features. Set up regular backups via Google One or built-in backup to protect photos, messages, and settings. Customize notifications, do a final pass on widgets, and pair Bluetooth accessories. If something goes wrong, try a safe restart first. If connections or syncing fail, reset network settings and re-sign into Google. If persistent issues continue, a factory reset after backup is the last resort to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.